My shaving kit for the trip included a scrunchie for washing, shampoo and conditioner, and liquid laundry detergent for doing laundry every night for washing out your uniform. But I need to find different bottles to put those in. Those leak terribly. Shaving cream, toothpaste, toothbrush, razor, a little mirror, some deodorant. I don't like this one. Some foot antifungal cream that I didn't need thanks to the foot powder I was using. Oh, a couple of personal items that never got used. Some Dayquil. Let's see what else. Some shampoo samples. Oh, this was important. Neosporin. I use that a lot on the saddle sores I got. Minor saddle sores, thankfully. Like clothespins. Turned out to be very handy for drying clothes. And I also had dental floss in here. And a toenail clippers that I've already moved over to another thing. So those are all the things that I have in my shaving kit for the trip.